September is National Suicide Prevention Month.
And tonight, Jessica Maduker is looking at how Milwaukee Public Schools is educating and helping students, family, as well as staff when it comes to mental health.
As the pandemic tightened its grip on our country last year, students everywhere were faced with the challenge of virtual learning, which kept them away from their typical resources and social settings.
It's certainly been hard on our students and our families.
Melanie Litcher works with Milwaukee Public Schools on-campus psychologists. For every 200 students within MPS, there's one mental health professional available. That's higher than the state average.
All of our MPS schools have a school psychologist, a school social worker, and school counselor assigned to those schools who are trained to support students with mental health needs.
They're also training on suicide prevention.
We are concerned about suicide rates for our Black youth. We know that from ages 5 to 12, Black youth are twice as likely to die by suicide than their white peers. That changes after age 12, and white peers are then more likely to die by suicide compared to Black youth.
Troubling statistics that she believes can change with education and knowledge.
In all of our K-8 schools, we do comprehensive programming in social emotional learning for all of our students. All of our staffs are trained on how to recognize warning signs for suicide.
But she also believes families and parents as a whole play a key role in prevention. Her tips for families include asking if your student has had any thoughts of suicide. The next step is listening to them, and finally seeking someone they can talk to aside from you, whether it be a mental health professional, mentor, or faith leader.
And I know that can feel really scary and overwhelming, but that is truly the secret to preventing suicide.
Tough conversations that could save lives. Reporting in Milwaukee, Jessica Maduker, TMJ4 News.
All right, Jessica, and if you or your student is battling thoughts of suicide, we do encourage you to call that National Suicide Prevention Line. We do have the number up there for you. It is 1-800-273-8255.